Last year, my fiance made me a lovely mixture. It's like an all over everything mixture with avocados, ripe bananas, and a little bit of lime. Because apparently he saw someone on YouTube make this mixture, and I wanted something for my hair, so he went ahead and made this lovely mixture for me. And yeah, it apparently you can put it on your in your hair to condition it, and you can also put it on your skin. So that's what I'm doing now. I made this video last year and I never posted it. I don't know why. But I'm posting it now because avocados are in season again. So now that avocado is so available, you can probably do this too. Just get some ripe avocados, you peel it, take out the seed, cut it up, put it in a blender or what do you call that thing? A Thermomix, whatever. Just anything that you can mix it up with. Blend it up nice and smooth, because it's really nice and smooth, and it leaves my skin so soft and silky without even having to put on some lotion. My skin was like wow, like buttery baby skin smooth, honestly, and my hair as well. It was so shiny and soft. Okay, now I'm putting on a plastic cup because I need to protect my hair. I'm gonna put on a heated steaming cup to make the nutrients really go into my hair or whatever, make it soft, like make it really work. So this, I actually have it plugged in. I'm going to plug it in. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for like 20 minutes, and then that will really just make it nice and heated a bit, not too hot. Okay, so I think I just finished leaving it on. Now I'm wiping off the mixture from my face with a damp rag. Yeah. I did this video last year and I'm now doing the voiceover, okay? So it's a bit, not so clear, but yeah, what I'm doing is wiping it off with a warm, wet rag from my face. Yes. It's amazing. Okay, off with the cup. My hair, wow, it looks nice. I can't believe I cut it off after this. Well, like this year in 2021, I cut it and I dyed it and all that. You'll see the videos. I'll leave a link to it, or I'll leave it in the end screen. You can watch those videos after. Loved this. Why did I cut my hair? My hair was lovely. I got bored, I guess. Okay. Wow. This video makes me feel to grow my hair again, but I always get fed up. Yeah. So it's nice and soft. Wow, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yeah. So I rinsed out the conditioner from the hair, and wow. I'm wrapping it in a towel to make it just dry, and the water doesn't drip off from my hair onto my face and my clothes. Yeah. Voila. Voila. Okay, watch this video right here.